If you want to delete or remove a Netflix profile from your Netflix account on any smart TV, first you'll need to be on the profile selection page. If you are already inside a profile, then go all the way to your left to open the side panel. From there, go up and highlight your profile, press OK. Now it will take you to switch profile. After that, highlight the account that you want to delete. Then go to the left to the pen icon and now go all the way down to delete profile. Press OK. And as you can see here, this will delete all the history of this profile. So if you want to confirm, then press delete profile once again. And as you can see, the profile is deleted and you can add a new one. Just like that, you can delete other profiles except the first one or the main profile. And that's how you can delete a profile from your Netflix TV app. Hope this helped, and I'll see you around.